This is how I shine my shoes. First, I get a rag and dust all the dirt and debris off of my shoe. Second, I take a rag and some good shoe polish and I apply the shoe polish to the shoe in a circular motion, like so. I put at least 3 layers of polish on my shoe. We are now back for the final step to get that shine on your shoe. Take a clean rag and work a circular motion around your shoe. This will bring the shine out and also help get that shoe polish in the shoe to help protect it. Take the water and on occasion dip the rag in the water and continue with your circular motions. Take a buffing cloth and work out the shine till you get it to where you like it.